Here now see question number 12, part first. 2 tan 35 upon cot 45 whole square plus cot 45 upon tan 35 minus 3 sec 40 cosec 50. So this value we have to find. So here only the concept of complementary angles that I told you in your previous term, like sine, cos, tan. This is cosec, sec and cot. So these two angles, these two ratios are complementary, and these are complementary, and these are complementary. Means if the sum of the angles are 90 degree, then they are known as complementary. So if sine is given, so we can convert that into cos, that is 90 minus theta. If cos is given, then we can convert that into sine. Like this, these are the complementary, and like this, these are the complementary. See here in this question, this is tan and cot. Both are complementary, and the sum of the angle is 90. So we can change that like we can change any one. We are changing this, so we can change like this: tan 90 minus 55. First step is like this, because 90 minus 55 will be 35. Okay, this will remain same, cot 55 and whole square. Like this here, we can change any one. So we are changing the numerator, cot 90 minus 35 divided by tan 35, then minus 3 sec 40. We can write sec 90 minus 50 upon cosec 50. Okay, so now we will change this to the complementary ratios. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So we can write cot 55 like this. This is cot 55 whole square. Similarly here, plus cot 90 minus theta will be tan theta. So we can write tan, and theta is 35 here, so tan 35 degree upon tan 35. So we have changed into the same theta, because it was here 55. So we have changed this 35 by using the complementary ratios. Minus 3 sec 90 minus theta is cosec. So we can write cosec 50 upon cosec 50 degree. Okay, so these will cancel out, these will cancel out, these cancel out. It will be 1, 1 square is 1, and 1 into 2, 2, like plus, this is 1, and minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the answer. So like this we have to do these type of questions. The first thing, only we have to see that if these are the complementary ratios, tan and cot, and the angle sum is 90 degrees, so we can convert that. Okay, so the answer will be 1 always here. So directly the objective type of questions, we can directly put it 1, 1, 1, and directly we can solve these type of questions. Okay, so now second part. This is sine 35 cos 55 plus cos 35 and sine 55. divided by cosec square tan minus tan square 80. So here what we can do here, any one values we can change to make it same so that it will follow the identity. We know that identity, yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here we will confuse, like we are changing both values, so it will again come the same thing. So only we have to change one theta, because we know that sin and cos are complementary. So if we change any one value, okay, and theta must be same, because here if theta is same then we can write the value 1. Okay, so we are changing this cos here, sin 35, and we can change it cos 90 minus 35, because this is 55, so 90 minus 35 is equals to 55. And then why we are doing this, because we can change the value. This is cos 90 minus theta will be equals to sin theta. Okay, so this is like this. Similarly here, so we will change the value, because we know this sin square plus cos square is 1. So we are changing this to form sin, and here we will change to form the cos. So we will change the value of sin here. Cos will remain same, cos 35 into sin, here 90 minus 55. Sorry, 90 minus 35 divided by, here what we will do, this is cosec square, this is tan square, so there is a relation like 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So
don't convert cosec, convert
1 is equals to sec square minus tan square, like this also. Sec square theta minus tan square will be equals to 1. So here minus tan square is there. So what we will do, we will change this into sec, make identity. Okay, or we can change this also. So here cosec square, we can write 90 minus 80, because 90 minus 80 is 10, minus tan square 80 degree. Okay, now evaluate these. So sin 35, we have to do these step by step. Okay, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, because in your academic exams every step you have to write. This is cos 35 into sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so cos 35 upon cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, right? So this is sec square theta minus, but theta is 80 degree here, so sec square 80 degree minus tan square 80 degree. So now sin into sin, it will be sin square 35 degree plus cos square 35 degree divided by sec square 80 minus tan square 80. Okay, so now we have to put the value. Sin square theta, this is the theta here, 35, cos square theta, both are same. So sin square plus cos square, we have written here, sin square plus cos square is equals to 1 divided by, this is also 1. So 1 by 1 is 1, this is the answer. Okay, so in these type of questions only we have to see that which identity they are following. Okay, so by using the complementary relations and the all previous identity, we can solve these questions. Okay, so now start question number 13, part first. Question number 13. Prove the following. Part first. This is cos theta divided by sin 90 minus theta plus sine theta divided by cos 90 minus theta. This equals to 2. We have to prove this too. So very simple. Okay, so this is already given in this form. So simple question. This is like cos theta and sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we are changing only these. This sine theta and this is cos 90 minus theta is also sine theta. So these two will cancel out. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay. So in this question number 13, all parts are very simple. Now see question number 14, part first. Question number 14, part first. Prove the following. Here cos 90 minus a and sine 90 minus a divided by tan 90 minus a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. So this we have to do. So what we will do here? Yes.
So we'll change tan into sine by cos.
Sine by cos, okay. And these?
Then sine and sine cancel.
Then 1 minus cos square you have to prove. Okay, fine. So see, we can change here. This cos 90 minus a, we can write it sin a. Okay, then sin 90 minus a is cos a upon tan 90 minus a is cot a. Okay. So here only this is sin a into cos a, or we can write this cot is cos a by sin a. Fine. So this will change sin a into cos a. It will be sin a by cos a. Okay, these cos a will cancel out and it is left only sin square a. Okay, so we know that this sin square a equals to 1 minus cos square a from the identity. Since we can also show here sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Okay, so therefore sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. So LHS equals to RHS and we can write hence proved. So like this we have to show these steps. The first thing that we have done, what is written here, only just changing by using the complementary ratios. So cos 90 minus a will be sin a, sin 90 minus a will be cos a, similarly tan 90 minus a will be cot a. So this is the first step that we have changed. Now we have to think what is in the RHS. Okay, these things we have to find. So how we can come to that answer? So here in sin and cos nothing we can change only. Okay, but in cot we can, I told you whenever cot and tan are there, so we try to make them into the form of sin and cos. So similarly step by step we are taking. So cot we can write cos by sin. Okay, now this is in the denominator, so we are dividing this, it will be sin by cos here. In multiplication form this cos will cancel out, so sin a into sin a will be sin square a, and we know that from this identity sin square a equals to 1 minus cos square a. Okay, so similarly question number second part also we can do. Now let's see question number 15 part first. 15 part first. or we can take 2, no problem. 2 is the hard one, so we are taking 2, second part.
Hard is first.
First is hard? Okay, so let's see first one.
Second is directly cancelling.
Okay, so we are taking first cos theta sine 90 minus theta plus cos 90 minus theta and sec 90 minus theta minus 3 tan square 30 minus 3 tan square 30. So we have to simplify this only. So step by step we will do. First this is cos theta and this is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta plus both are here cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, then minus 3 tan square 30. So this will cancel out. This is 1 plus sin by cosec. So what we can write it? Cosec is the reciprocal of cosec is 1 by sin because this is a reciprocal of sin. So we will show all the steps. Sin theta, we can write this 1 by sin theta minus 3 tan square 30. We are not doing anything with this. First we are solving this. So it will be 1 plus sin will be up. Okay, so 1 plus sin square theta minus 3 tan square 30 degree. Here is theta, here is 30 degree. Now what we will do? Tan 30, okay, then what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 from this. We can see this is 30, this is 60, 1 root 3 by 2. So tan 30 p by b, it will be 1 by root 3. So 1 plus sin square theta minus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square. These things we can do only. So 1 plus sin square theta minus 3 into 1 by 3. This is cancel out. So 1 plus sin square theta minus 1. This one cancel out. So the answer will be sin square theta only. Okay. This is the only simplification of this. Okay, similarly question number 16 is